I'll show you one view over here, okay, and see where I'm sitting. Final destination. Go. 2 seconds maybe. Okay, so assalamu alaikum people. This is me Aziz Alfalasi here again, and today we are going for Gaganachukki Falls, and this is my new vlog in traveling kind of. So we got 3 bikes, 6 people, and we'll be leaving now. It's November 28th, 7 a.m. So I hope you guys enjoy the vlog and keep supporting me, guys. So I love you all, and yeah, that's it then. And I'll show you, introduce to my new friends and the bikes which we got. I hope you guys love it. And these are the 3 bikes which will be going now, which is Classic 350 Royal Enfield and a Dominar 400, which is mine, and Adventure 390. Every bikes are 2023 registered. And these are my friends over here. He's Farooq, Alam, Arsalan, Huzef, and he's got a new channel which is MH Vlogs, and he's gonna be famous very soon, very pretty soon, inshallah. Here's the Faizan. Hi, bolo. Yeah, guys, inshallah, pray for us, and we'll be traveling now. Jinga, bro. Okay guys, so we crossed the toll gate and we paid 30 rupees. I didn't know we have to pay for the bike also. 30 rupees we paid. They will, depends on the location, they will ask the price. So we said Gaganachukki Falls, so they asked us 30 rupees. So each bike we paid 30. And we are starving right now. बहुत भूख लग रही है. सामने कौन सा भी रेस्टोरेंट कुछ भी मिल जाता है, थोड़ा खा लेते हैं, उसके बाद डायरेक्ट अनशॉट लोकेशन पे जाना है. But boys, okay guys, चलो निकलेंगे. नहीं कट कर रहा हूँ, ये कंटेंट. Okay, अभी 90 kilometers exactly, and we are looking for a restaurant now. Okay, नहीं खाली पेट भरे जैसा है.
मजबूरी खा लेना.
Okay, so we are done with the breakfast finally. अभी निकल रही फिर, and the time right now is 9:18. 9:18, and these are the bikes. 88 kilometers catch up करना अभी. निकलेंगे. Indian oil so सो कहाँ चले गए थे तुम्हें?
तुम्हें कहाँ चले गए?
हमें स्ट्रेट एक किच कर लिया है क्या?
जीरा
फुल डाल रहे हैं निकलेंगे। एंटरटेनमेंट अच्छा है नहीं? वो लगेज बैग के ऊपर ही हाथ दबा डाल रही हूँ सर, डाला लिया मैं 2-3 बार। निकलेंगे। कितने किलोमीटर दिखा रहा उसमें? 72 और सबके पास राइडर चेंज होगी। मेरा भाई सबके साथ ही बहुत दफा आगे होना बुलेट right now in the location of location ಹೆಸರು huh?
Achilu.
Okay, we are in the location of Achilu. Atulu. Huh? Achilu. Okay, we are in the location of Achilu and it is 56 more kilometers to reach the Gaganachukki falls and we are feeling a little thirsty, so we've just parked by near some
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है।
parked by near some small retail shop and I don't know where are my friends, the Bullet and the KTM 390. I don't know, it just came very fast, जल्दी आ गए हैं। अभी भी पीछे आराम से आले कोई तो पानी का सोच लग रहा है, जरा पानी पी लेंगे 5 मिनट्स के बाद फिर शुरू। KTM 390 में पेट्रोल ख़त्म हो गया था, तो वी केम टू इंडियन ऑयल टू द पावर पेट्रोल। वो ऑल सीन्स है ना, ज़रे ज़रे किलोमीटर्स में तुम थक जा रही, 5 किलोमीटर्स को थक जा रही इन लोगों का। क्या बोलना क्या जब 10 किलोमीटर्स को थक गई ना वो पूरा।
10 किलोमीटर
नो तो तो चलाते नहीं गाड़ी। कुछ बोलना चाहती हूँ करो।
क्या भी नहीं, सुस्त हो गई हूँ मैं, शूट होना मुझे।
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है।
कट कर डाल
डाल रहा हूँ वही। Okay guys, अभी एक 20 किलोमीटर्स 20-30 किलोमीटर्स और I'm gonna try this bike। कितना? 11 किलोमीटर्स होता अच्छे। अच्छा अभी 11 किलोमीटर्स इसके, तो विल बी गोइंग विथ बाइक। डोमिनार जाको आलम करना है, तो हम गना टेक अ राइड ऑन दिस वन। Welcome to shivanasamudram. Oh, shadi, marriage. Dance kar bro. married life, people. Finally, location found. Here is the location. The falls is right over there. And we park the bikes over here. Let's see how it goes. Finally. What time? 11 हो गया?
11:40 है ना बना जी मैं जी
फारूक को ना फारूक हाँ बुलेट नहीं फारूक को दो फारूक तुम्हारे दोस्त फारूक just looking like a wow पहले नहीं था ये नीचे जाने का कोई वाह पानी देखो ब्रो वाह जबरदस्त है अभी नीचे नहीं जा सकती नहीं जा सकती अभी कितना रोड देखो ब्रो कैसा है जाने के अंदर I love the road seriously final destination को 2 seconds है अभी Look at the view, guys. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. See the view, guys. Guys, we finally reached the location over here, and the view is right in front of me. And this is the destination we traveled so far, and it cost us 130 kilometers. And it's worth the hard work and the time spent coming over here. And I'll show you the view over here. Wow! Guys, I'll show you one view over here, okay? And see where I'm sitting. My mom will see me if she see my vlog. Look at the view, guys. It is just 130 kilometers from our location, guys. Just look at it, how beautiful it is. MashaAllah, this is the first time I'm coming near any falls. इतना बड़ा है ये माशाल्लाह इतना खूबसूरत दिख रहा Look at my friends over there. They are scared to come, that's why they are not coming down. But look at over there how it's the water is falling and you know कैसा वो mist जैसा दिख रहा crazy. So yeah guys, finally worth. So we are gonna take some pictures now. We'll take some pictures and we'll make some shots as well, and we will try to have some snacks, make fun or you know enjoy a little bit, and then we'll just go back again. So till then I'll update you whatever it is. But this view, wow, I really love the place near these kind of water places.